Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Do a wide range of video from like beauty related to lifestyle and just other random stuff, so definitely subscribe if you want to see more content from me. Anyways, in today's video, I'm so excited because this video is honestly super random. I'm going to be doing a kind of like first impressions open box on a company called Zeno Jewels. So about, I want to say it was like the beginning of quarantine, so maybe even like 2 months ago, this company Zeno Jewels reached out to me, and a lot of companies reach out to me and sometimes I'm interested, sometimes the product just seems kind of like but this product seemed so cool. They basically make like a wide range of different like engagement sets and jewelry that looks super expensive and it looks so legit, but they're like $100 around that price point. So they wanted to send me 2 of their jewelry pieces, so I kind of wanted to do an unboxing of this and show you guys what it looks like. This video is not sponsored. However, if I do end up liking the product and you want to try it out, I will have like an affiliate coupon code with them. But these are all going to be like my 100% raw, real thoughts. I have the box here. It's not even open. I'm like so excited. I might be the only one that's interested in jewelry that looks expensive that's not, but I figured I can't be the only one, and you guys might be interested too if you want to look bougie on a budget. I'm literally trying to open this box with kid scissors. Ooh, it comes with silver polishing cloth. The silver polishing cloth is made of high quality cotton impregnated. That's different. The silver cleaner, that's an interesting adjective. An anti-tarnish agent. Used as an ordinary cloth on lightly tarnished silver and silver plate to obtain brilliant polish. So that's cool. It comes with like a little cloth to clean your jewelry, and it's supposed to prevent it from tarnishing. I want to say, I need to look on the website because I want to say that these products are sterling silver. Where is my phone? So yeah, all of the items that I'm about to show you are sterling silver. I will say that this did take forever to ship because I believe it ships from China. Like I said, they reached out to me like the beginning of quarantine and I didn't get this until today. Super cute. So this first ring I got, I honestly forgot what it looked like. Why did I get it in such a big size? Holy moly. Okay, so this is the ring, but this is what it looks like. Hopefully the camera focuses. Look at that shine. Holy moly. Let me show you guys a comparison. Like, this is one that I got from Aldo. The difference in shine from my Aldo one to this one. I wish my nails were done because it would look way more presentable. But that is so pretty. I got this to wear. I like wearing a lot of rings on like my thumbs or on my like not ring finger. Ooh, I must have gained weight during quarantine because this is feeling a little snug. Holy moly, ow, I can't take it off my hand. Alright, so this is the Eternity Wedding Band set. This retails for $149 and it looks like it's on sale right now for $109. Plus, I believe you can use the discount code on top of that. Look how shiny this is. Like, I need the camera to really focus. But that is just so pretty. So I got mine in a size 6. And it fits around my middle finger. I had it on this finger earlier too. Look how pretty that looks on. Y'all, I'm gonna look so blingy. The description of this product says it's made with a row of unbroken lab-created sapphire. This eternity band looks fresh and dynamic. The step-cut facets of the stone create a flashing, mesmerizing play of light that your eyes will be drawn to again and again. This striking design looks amazing as a standalone piece or stacked with an engagement ring. Ooh. So that's what it looks like. I think this is absolutely stunning, and this will definitely be one of those pieces that I wear all the time. So if I have a nice piece of jewelry like this that's made out of sterling silver, gives me the look of like real diamonds, but I don't have to flirt over my life and soul. That's perfect. So I'm excited for this next ring. I want to say I actually got like a engagement ring. I kind of forgot what I got. I'm scared to open it. Ooh, yay! I did get the engagement ring. This is so pretty. I could cry. This is beautiful. You guys aren't gonna believe this. So this is what this piece looks like. It's a pear-shaped engagement set. Look at the way that catches the light. Holy moly. That is stunning. Oh my gosh. And honestly, if I saw this on someone's hand, I would not question if it was real or not. But anyways, the reason why I ended up picking out this gorgeous piece is because I've always wanted a pear-shaped engagement ring. Well, not always, but to be honest, I never really paid attention to engagement rings until I was engaged. That was when I started noticing them more. Before then, I didn't really have a preference. I love my ring now. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I wouldn't change it for anything in the world. But I've also always have loved the shape of pear-shaped engagement rings. I just think they're so unique, so pretty. They kind of have like a vintage look, but like with a twist. And this is just absolutely stunning. And like I said, if I saw this on anyone's hand, I would not be able to tell the difference. So I want to read you guys the specs on this one. I think this is such a great purchase because it comes with the wedding band too. So this is $159 for the ring and the band. And like I said, I believe that you can use the discount code on top of that. But they also have another beautiful set that I just saw for $179. And it comes with the ring and then this really pretty band. Like, that band is gorgeous. Ooh, it fits perfect. So I got this set in a size 5. Oh, you guys. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm so obsessed with this. That's how it looks there and here. This is so pretty. They're so shimmery. They're so shiny and beautiful. Oh my gosh. I don't want to take it off. I mean, I love my wedding ring, but like, this is so pretty too. And like I said, I mean, I'm obviously not like a stone specialist or anything like that. So to me, this looks pretty legit. Like, if I saw this on someone's hand, I wouldn't be like, that's fake. So I'm sorry, this video is like so random. I hope I'm not the only one excited to like find really pretty jewelry pieces for such an affordable cost. Yes, they are expensive. They're like in that $100 price point, but in comparison to like if you were to buy a real diamond ring or a wedding engagement set, this would cost like $20,000. Like, this ring is legit three carats. So if you were to buy a real diamond ring like that, it would probably cost you upwards of like $20,000 if I'm not mistaken. So $159 plus the 20% off if you use my code. That's not bad. I mean, and their website had a ton of other beautiful like jewelry pieces and sets. And I'm telling you guys, this is my 100% real and honest opinion, because if I got these and they just were like, look super cheap, or I don't know, just didn't seem like good quality, I would probably not upload this video. So the fact that these are just so beautiful and perfect and to me look so legit, I'm so happy. So yeah, if you guys like any of these pieces, or honestly, they have so many other jewelry items like necklaces, bracelets. If you guys are interested in looking expensive without literally selling your soul, I would definitely recommend this website. I'm looking on the site now. I also think that this is perfect if you are thinking about getting engaged soon and like your fiance wants you to pick out a ring. I think this is a great way to like test out some different ones and see how you like it. Alright you guys, so that wraps it up for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this sort of unboxing style video, super candid. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that I'm not just like crazy while I'm so excited about like jewelry that looks expensive that isn't that expensive. If you guys do happen to like any of the pieces and want to try them out, I will leave my discount code down below. It's Janelle-20, and then you would get 20% off of your purchase. If you want to look super blingy on a budget, check out Zeno Jewels. I will leave everything linked down below, and I'll also just link the website so that way you can like browse all the different gorgeous jewelry pieces. I hope that you guys enjoyed this super random video. If you guys did happen to enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!